Step 1. Once you enter the event, you will be taken to the event lobby, where you can view content provided by the employer, as well as the various booths available for chat. Step 2. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation panel, giving you quick access to various features throughout the event. These include chat history, registration form, profile, and 24/7 support from Brazen. Step 3. On the right side of the screen, you will see the schedule for today. Look forward to an interview with Dave Lorenz, Vice President of Travel Michigan, and hear why working in this industry is such a great career choice. Step 4. From the event lobby, you can also manage your chats. Click Search Booths, make yourself available, and place yourself in line to chat with any of the booths. Step 5. Now that you made yourself available for chats, enter the booths of your choice and click the green Chat button. Step 6. You will be asked to choose the opportunity that interests you at this booth. Step 7. You will be automatically connected when a representative becomes available. Once you're connected in the chat, you will see some information on the representative on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll also notice the time left on the upper right-hand corner. This signifies the time remaining until the chat automatically ends. Step 8. Be sure to send quick, short, and concise sentences for the best chat experience. On the left side of your screen, you'll see an option to add a greeting that will be automatically sent when a new connection is made. Step 9. When you're ready to end this chat, simply click the red button on the right-hand side that says End this chat. Step 10. Once the chat is ended, you'll have the opportunity to send the representative a final thought. This is a personal note for the representative you chatted with. You will also have the opportunity to rate the representative and leave notes about the conversation that you can view later in the chat history section. Step 11. Once you're done, you can simply click Finished, and you'll be welcomed back to the event lobby, where you can choose another booth to chat in. Step 12. During the event, you're invited to chat with as many representatives as you like. After the event, you can view your chat history under the History icon in the left-hand side. This information will remain there after the event. Step 13. Once you are completed with the event, you can go to the bottom of the navigation bar and log out. Remember, if you need help throughout this event, you can click the question mark icon on the left-hand side and receive support. We hope you enjoyed Tourism and Hospitality Career Day and chatting with these amazing representatives.